Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage SEO with Moz step by step clearly. To manage SEO with Moz, start by creating an account on the Moz website. Once you have an account, log into the Moz dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and the various tools available. Begin with the Keyword Explorer tool to find relevant keywords for your niche. Enter a seed keyword into the search bar and analyze the suggestions provided. Look at the keyword difficulty score to assess how competitive each keyword is. Review the search volume to determine which keywords have the most potential traffic. Now, create targeted keyword lists for your website's pages. Next, navigate to the Site Audit tool to analyze your website's SEO health. Input your website URL to generate a comprehensive site audit report. Carefully review the findings related to crawlability, site architecture, and meta tags. Prioritize the issues listed based on their impact on your SEO. After that, head to the On-Page Grader tool. Enter individual page URLs to evaluate their SEO performance. Review the specific recommendations provided for each page. Make necessary adjustments to title tags, meta descriptions, and header tags based on the insights. Now, utilize the Link Explorer feature to assess your backlink profile. Analyze your existing backlinks and their quality. Identify potential link building opportunities for improved authority. Next, create a content strategy that aligns with your keyword targets and audience needs. Use the Rank Tracker to monitor your keyword rankings over time. Set up regular reports to keep track of changes in rankings. Make data-driven decisions and adjust your SEO strategy accordingly. Continuously revisit and refine your keyword lists and content based on performance metrics. Engage with the Moz community for tips and support from experienced users. Regularly check for updates and new features offered by Moz. Stay informed about SEO best practices to ensure your strategy remains effective. Consistently evaluate and optimize your SEO efforts for long-term success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.